Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Nabeel. Today's topic is time and place words in indirect speech. By the end of this video, you will 1. Memorize the complete list of time words. 2. Understand the rule for place words. 3. Learn a trick that will never let you get confused in exams. Let's get started. First, let's understand why do we change time words. When a person says something, they speak according to their own moment in time. But when we report that statement later to someone else, that moment has already passed. So we need to adjust the time words according to this new moment. Example, Ali said, "I'm going to school today." Ali said that he was going to school that day. Simple rule: if the time has already passed by the moment of reporting, the word changes. Now let me give you a complete list. Screenshot this: direct speech, indirect speech. Now then, today, that day. Tonight, that night. Yesterday, the day before the previous day. Tomorrow, the next day, the following day. Last night, the night before. Last week, the previous week, the week before. Next week, the following week. Ago, before. This week, that week. Let's look at some examples to make this even clearer. Example 1. Sarah said, "I will finish my homework tomorrow." Sarah said that she would finish her homework the next day. Example 2. He said, "I met her yesterday." He said that he had met her the day before. Example 3. "I saw him 3 days ago," she said. She said that she had seen him 3 days before. Notice that? The tense changes too, and so does the time word. They move together. Now let's talk about place words. This is just as important as time words, but people tend to forget it. When we use this, these, or here, we're signaling that something is nearby. But when we report that statement later, that thing or place might not be near us anymore. Rule: this, that, these, those, here, there. Example 1. He said, "I like this book." He said that he liked that book. Example 2. She said, "Come here." She told me to go there. Notice this one carefully. Come also became go. When the direction changes during reporting, meaning we're moving away from the speaker, then come also becomes go, and bring also becomes take. Let's do a quick practice. Let's see how much you've understood. Direct speech, he said, "I will meet you here tomorrow." Write in the comments how would you convert this sentence into indirect speech. I'll give the answer below, but try it yourself first. 3-second pause for engagement. The answer is, he said that he would meet me there the next day. If you got it right, comment "done" below. The next video will have even harder examples. This section is very important. This is where students make mistakes in exams. Rule: if you are reporting within the same day that the statement was made, the time word does not change. Example: suppose Ali said in the morning, "I am tired today." If you're reporting this later that same evening, you can say, "Ali said that he was tired today." No change, because it's still the same day. But if you're reporting this the next day, "Ali said that he was tired that day." Now it changes. So context matters. Don't blindly follow the rule every time. Think about, has the time actually passed? Let's review what we learned. Time words change when the time has already passed. Now arrow then. Today arrow that day. Tomorrow arrow the next day. This arrow that. These arrow those. Here arrow there. Come arrow go. Bring arrow take when direction changes. No change if reporting within the same day. Remember these 5 points, and you'll never make a mistake in indirect speech again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to do one thing: subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next grammar video.